Welcome to Total Agent Academy, where we equip aspiring real estate agents with the skills and knowledge to build a thriving business. Today, we're diving into the art of crafting a compelling property listing. In the competitive world of real estate, a well-crafted property listing can be your golden ticket to capturing the interest of potential buyers and solidifying you as the listing expert. Tip 1, use high-quality photos. Visuals are crucial. High-quality photos can significantly impact how a property is perceived. In today's real estate environment, first impressions will last. Did you know that the internet was highly used for home searches in the United States in 2022? I'm sure you did. But did you know that about 99% of home buyers between the ages of 24 and 57 use the internet to find homes in their home buying process? Among the oldest generation, 77 to 97-year-olds, 84% of people use the internet during their home buying process. Professional photography. Consider hiring a professional photographer. High-resolution images can highlight the property's features and make it more appealing. That wide-angle lens makes a dramatic difference and can be the difference between for sale and sold. Staging and composition. Ensure the property is clean and well staged. Use natural light and compose shots effectively. Consider photographing the home as a potential buyer would naturally view the floor plan. On that note, include a floor plan. Did you know that 93% of buyers say they will spend more time looking at property listings if there are floor plans? And 1 out of 5 buyers say they will ignore listings if they do not include a detailed floor plan. 68% of buyers believe floor plans are more important than staging, a virtual tour, or even open houses. Include a variety of shots. Include wide-angle shots of the entire room and close-ups of unique features. This gives a comprehensive view of the property. Consider showing perspectives of the home from different angles to enhance appeal. Tip 2, write engaging descriptions. A compelling description does more than list features, it tells a story. Highlight key features. Emphasize attractive features like a renovated kitchen or spacious backyard. Use descriptive language to paint a vivid picture. And yes, we all love ChatGPT. However, you, as a human and real estate professional, I might add, need to proofread the content, not only for accuracy, but for compliance as well. Appeal to emotions. Connect with the reader's emotions by describing the lifestyle the property offers. For example, imagine sipping your morning coffee on the sunlit patio with stunning views of the mountains, as opposed to equipped with covered patio. Include important details. Provide essential information like the number of bedrooms and bathrooms, square footage, and any recent upgrades. I always like to state when an upgrade was installed, especially if it was recent. Tip 3, use keywords. Incorporating relevant keywords into your listing can improve its visibility in search results. Research common keywords that potential buyers might use. Tools like Google Keyword Planner can be very helpful. Don't forget to integrate these words naturally. Include keywords naturally in the title, description, and bullet points. Avoid keyword stuffing, as this can detract from readability. Focus on unique selling points. Highlight features that set the property apart, such as eco-friendly home, or 0.1 miles from insert hotspot here, or private backyard oasis. Crafting compelling property listings involves combining visual appeal, engaging storytelling, and strategic keyword use. By honing in on these elements, you can draw in more potential buyers and boost the likelihood of a successful sale. At Total Agent Academy, we emphasize the importance of tracking activity. Our data shows that for every 1,000 online views, a seller should receive 1 offer. Therefore, creating an attractive listing is crucial for both you and your seller. A well-crafted listing will attract more viewers, expedite the sale, and provide an exceptional experience for your seller, leading to valuable referral business. If you'd like to learn more about how to attract a consistent flow of sellers into your pipeline, let's chat. We'll take an inside look at your business and offer strategic feedback that you can implement today. Just click the link below and book your complimentary one-on-one business consultation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.